Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 5, 8, 11, 19, 35, 67 and 131. Given options are 5, 8, 11 and 67. To solve this problem, first let me write the given question, that is 5, 8, 11, 19, 35, 67 and 131. Now 8 is obtained when I add 3 to 5, that is 5 plus 3, 8. How 11 is obtained? Yes, of course, if I add 3 to 8, that is 8 plus 3 is again what? 11. To get 19, I should add 8 to 11, that is 11 plus 8 is what? 19. Okay. Next, how 35 is obtained? When I add 16, that is 19 plus 16 is what? 35. To get 67, I should add 32 to the 35, that is 35 plus 32 is what? 67. Now to get 131, I should add 64 to 67, that is 67 plus 64 is what? 131. To get friends, 64, 32, 16, 8, 3, 3. If you observe 64, 32, now this is what? Half of 64. Next, 16 is the half of 32. 8 is half of 16. So next would be what? It should be half of 8, that is what? 4. So when I consider this as 4, this number would change over here. Okay. So 11 minus 4 would be what? 7. Or even you can consider 7 plus 4 is what? 11. When it is 4, this number should be half of 4. That is what? 2. That means 5 plus 2 is what? 7. So here 8 is the wrong number. Now let us check the given options. The first option is 5, second is 8. The option 2 is the right one. Well friends, we will see some more problems.